Somebody, yes.
It'd be the slope at 0, continuing to be -1.
True, but that's really hard for us to do a slope at a point. It's really hard to get it. Say again?
Starting at 0, 3.
All right, so what I can do is, for example, if I go up 1, back 1, over 1, down 1, that's my tangent line there, right? I like it. All right. Let's see what else has to happen. So G prime at 0 has to be -1. G prime at 2 has to be 0. That's nice. So it looks like I'm going to be coming down through this, following this tangent line, down through this. And then at 2, I'm going to be bottoming out. Is that cool? So at 2, I'm going to be bottoming out. I can just put that somewhere. And then at 4, it gets pretty decently big, +3, right? So let's see what I do. What do I got? And I got nothing back here, don't I? Yay, check fire. So I've got, all that matters is G of 0 is 3, so I can do whatever I want to here. G of 0 is 3, and now I'm going through and following that tangent line idea. Going through there. Now I can turn around and bottom out here. Now at 4, let's see where I'm going to end up. At 4, let me just put a point somewhere. The slope has got to be 3. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, back 1. So it's got to go. This has got to be the tangent line, so I can just go. Wee. No, Jeff, you got to hit it. Wee. Okay. That tangent line there. Maybe. So you could draw the tangent line using what the slope is supposed to be. You can at least put the points for the tangent line so you can kind of eyeball and follow it through that point. Not horrible, not intuitive, but not bad. All right. The third one should be easy. I just want to make sure you guys are able to put this together, because like I told you, this is going to happen multiple times throughout the summer. The semester. So what is this really telling me? Yeah, so M, -1. I know I go through the point 3, 5. I like it. Now watch. Here's what I do, to be honest. You ready? I know it's going to be y equals -x. When I plug a 3 in, the answer is supposed to be 5. So -3 plus 8 makes 5. Is that? Or you could do the y minus y1 thing if you enjoy doing a lot of work. It's up to you. Is that cool? You guys have such pained expressions all the time, but nobody's asking anything. Are you guys okay? Okay. So you have to be able to do this kind of stuff on your own. Okay. Let's see. You guys, how are you feeling so far? You want to do a little more and then take a break? Yeah. Okay. So a little bit more and we'll take a break. Any questions on this side at all? You guys are okay with this? I'm the worst person in the world to lie about that too. If you're not okay, then at least 8 other people are not okay also. All right. Now, there's a question in the homework about, I think it came up yesterday or the day before, about yield of a crop as you put more fertilizer on and stuff like that. This is sort of like that. It's really, can you figure out what should happen when you put something in the fridge? I mean, when you start to cool it down. Do you know what the shape of that graph should be if your fridge is operating correctly? Right? So it starts off at 80 degrees. It's no good for soda. Say again.